what this is, and they sell them as washable. Okay, so many people get them and put them in just because they don't have to go out and buy, anywhere between $8 and $20 filters. They just take them out and they spray them down and they put them back in. But there is a little bit of a catch to this, folks, and I want to bring this to your attention. Now, when you put these in, there is absolutely no support here, okay? Now, what I'm going to suggest, and what I think you should do, is cut yourself some of this round stock, okay? Preferably 3. 1 you would put there in the beginning of it, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the end. Now, what that would do is it would give the filter some support. Now, why do I say that? When your blower motor kicks in, okay, that's when these filters, having no support at all, will move up if they're not supported, and then it will not trap particles, and all the mold and all the stuff will get back into your house ever so slightly, but it will. It does not basically fulfill the job of a filter unless you put some supports, like I said, to make sure. You can use 3, and matter of fact, you could even use another extra 4th one. Yes, it's harder to get in, but folks, worth the time and effort. Now, how you just go about doing this is you just, as you can see, there's probably about ½ an inch there. You just take these and then you just thread them in the middle and just keep going right on through, if you could see how it's done. Okay? That's how you support your air filter, so that you don't have unfiltered air going into your furnace and into your house. Okay? Tip of the day, word of advice.